Hello my Geminis, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much my love for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. So without further ado, let's begin. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. So we begin with the silence, ripeness, creator, rebel. The synchronicity of the crescent moon and the full moon. So your conscious is trying to tell you something, okay, but I think you're being extremely logical because the creator and rebel is trying to say that you're being extremely logical in your approach. Finance flow is coming in, you are traveling, whatever you want you can achieve, but I think there's an inner chaos. So that's the reason universe is saying shh, breathe. Okay, again you are my air signs, so it's more about duality. Maybe that's the reason you're in a hurry. So universe is saying pause and reflect. Whatever you want you can achieve. I think it's more about getting attuned to your subconscious energy. Okay, so avoid using your logical brain, get connected with your subconscious energy, your gut feeling, and go for it. Remember to stay focused. Maybe there is a possibility you may get distracted depending on individual situations, and you're unique, my love. Take care of your stomach area. Climates are changing. Fear, ego, unwanted energies could be getting stuck in your stomach area. So that's the reason it is trying to say. And work on your leadership quality. Don't give your power to somebody else. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That's the 11th to the 20th. We have trust, lovers, compromise, innocence. The midweek is going to be super amazing. If you're seeking for a partnership, yes, you can expect that. If you're seeking to welcome a beautiful soul in your world, then yes, the trust is trying to say a baby plan is around the corner. Find the mid path. Okay, maybe you're overstressing. So if you want to gain victory in this in the second 10 days, it's all about handling love with situations with love. Okay, and finding the mid path. Do charity. When you do good, the good will come back to you. That is a mantra. And you have somebody who is like a mentor, a guru, a well-wisher. Okay, even though we see a masculine energy, there could be a feminine energy as well, but there is somebody who really wants to help you. So get connected. If we can see, we can see flowers. So flowers are all about new beginnings. So yes, fresh starts are happening. Be in a receptive mode. Open up your heart chakra, my love. Okay, so everything is beautiful. The mid 10 days are amazing. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We begin with harmony, beyond delusion, participation, morality. Harmony and participation, good news in the family or at workspace, so you have nothing to worry. Celebration moments, travel either for work or leisure will bring in a lot of good things. Beyond delusion, morality. Morality is trying to say that maybe you might get pulled in lot many directions, so gain clarity, bring in that me time. And beyond delusion, Stick to the reality. Maybe you're assuming things. That's the reason you have conflict between the heart and the mind. So avoid doing that. Your higher self will give you the clarity. That's the reason it is trying to say stay connected with your emotions. Okay. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Beautiful. What do you desire? Whatever you ask for. Again, we see flowers. So flowers are going to play an extremely important role for you in this month. Again, whatever you want, your angels are working behind the scene. Even if you think it's a frivolous thing, don't worry. Your angels are supporting you. But if it belongs to you, they will ensure that it reaches to you. And if they think that you're asking something that is not for your soul journey, they will get something better. So be in a receptive mode and ask, only then you shall receive. Now let's figure out about your love life, angels and spirit guides. We have wedding rings and the golden mirror. See, if you've been seeking for a partnership, because that's what the lovers and wedding rings is all about. Again, we have the participation, harmony. There are many good things coming up. Okay, so expect happiness, embracing good news. Okay, it's all about celebrations. Don't be self-absorbed, is what it's trying to say. Sometimes it happens, it's a human tendency, but yes, new beginnings are coming up. Okay, so that's the reason it is trying to say open up your heart chakra. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Despair. Why are you still under the impression that nothing is working in your favor? So I think it is all about you understanding it. The more poverty consciousness, it's like, nothing is going in my favor, nobody loves me, blah blah blah. Then you are creating those thoughts. Those thoughts would not allow what universe wants to serve you, because in your read, universe is blessing you. Your angels are also asking you what is it that you need. So I think you should work on that part. So how should I sum up this month? Open up your heart, because when you are in a receiving mode, you shall receive money flow, relationship, emotional stability, spirituality, good mental, physical health. So everything is there. What is it that you should be working on? The me time, have trust in the process of life, be calm from within, stick to reality. You're an amazing soul. Okay, your angels are saying whatever you want is what they shall serve you. Yes, there are wedding rings coming in for you, or you could be a part, and that's where you might end up meeting this person. Do not get self-absorbed. Okay, so that's the reason it's trying to say open up your heart in receiving mode. And the more you cling to your past or to the things which are not serving you good, you're creating in your own blocks. So the ball is in your court. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for interesting videos, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.